Wall Street is eyeing a mixed open on Monday. Geopolitical concerns and Fed speeches are in focus. The Fed's Rosengren and Lockhart will be speaking today. On Friday, U.S. indices closed mixed with shares in the telecommunication, automobiles and components, as well as food and staples retailing sector under pressure. Meanwhile, shares in the software and services, consumer services, and healthcare equipment and services sectors gained traction. On the economic data front, at the end of last week, non-farm payrolls came in below forecasts at 156,000, and that does come on the upwardly revised 204,000 in the prior month. On the other hand, the unemployment rate slightly rose to 4.7% in December from 4.6%. In terms of year advancers and decliners, 61% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher on Friday. And in after-hours trade, Fiat Chrysler Automobiles announced plans to invest $1 billion to modernize its plants in Michigan and Ohio and create an additional 2,000 American jobs. Separately, Expedia was recommended by Barron's. The publication said that hotel trends are improving and profit margins are poised to surge after a string of takeovers. Barron's thinks there is upside for the company. In terms of earnings today, expect results coming out from Global Payments as well as Equity Brands. And on the economic data front, it is fairly quiet, but we will be getting November consumer credit from the U.S. And in terms of overseas markets, Asian markets were mixed today. The Nikkei off 0.3%, Hang Seng gaining by 0.25%, and South Korea's Kospi flat on the session. European indices are losing ground on Monday. As for U.S. equity indices, the S&P 500 is in the spotlight. On an intraday basis, the upside does prevail, and trading central analysts prefer long positions above 22.65 with targets at 22.80 and 22.89 in extension. As for the Nasdaq on an intraday basis, the bullish bias stands above 49.71, and for the Dow Jones, the upside does prevail.